Hey everybody, Don here. We have a Classen Turk Rake TR-20. It actually has a broken cable. It actually stays engaged, it won't unengage, so have a new cable. C100053 cable assembly. Let's tear into this and fix it. It's kind of getting that time of year, cool season grasses, great time to overseed. So you may want to go through and dethatch, so I figured it'd be a good time to go get into this and fix mine. Let's get after it. So I've never replaced one of these, but it seems like it's just these two bolts, and then there's two more under here. It looks like these ones are 13 mil. The bottom ones are 11, and then obviously you have the one there, which is also an 11. Never done this before, but I just saw that when I was just playing around here. I don't know why they changed bolt size to the bottom. Don't know if I need them all the way over. Just do that for now. Don't lose the washer. Hopefully you guys can see the smoke. This one seems like it's turning a bit on the back side. I don't know if it is. It totally is. Yeah, they both are. Let me find a bolt. Be better now. Not bolt, I meant socket for the record. I'll lose that. There's one. There we go. Have to loosen that a bit. Of course, it's not the right size. All right, let me get a socket for this, because that's probably not going to just pop off for us. Actually, we're back to the big one. And we are 13 mil. Gosh, that was pretty easy. And all I'm doing up here, guys, is just pulling off this. So use a socket on either side, pull it off, and then we'll be done. So one thing I forgot about is this part here. So I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a little don't know if it's really a snap ring or what you would call it, but this would be easier with needle nose pliers, but why make things easier? You should be able to just pull that up, push it up, pull that off, the washer, and there you go. Fully detached. You can see how frayed it is. Let's get the new one set up. So I figure let's just do the reverse here, guys. So this side on here, that will go here. Washer, little pin. I'll flail out the edges so it stays. Should be good there. Hopefully you can see that. Should be able to. Reverse these sockets to tighten now. Okay, top part assembled. Let's get down to the bottom. So you can't really see it, but this spring attaches just on the back side of this pulley, and what that does is engages the tines. The belt looks pretty good considering. Probably should order one just in case, but hooked in. And I think just tighten that up and let's see. Well, guys, let's button up the rest here. What should we do? Should do pretty well to tilt this back a bit. Let's do that. Go for there. Progress. Final. I don't know if you guys can see. Barely. So I'm just using a socket wrench on the back. Just gonna have to line it up where you can see it. There you go. That's that. Let's tilt it back down. Make sure you guys can see. Nope. Sorry guys, I just noticed that I missed taping this, so this is kind of after I was done, but all I did for this last bit here was actually just put these bolts on, or these nuts on with the washer, just back how we took it apart. So hopefully that won't deter anyone, but it's pretty easy to do. There you go guys, all done. It's a lot better than you saw it before, but good to go. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.